So, friends, hello everyone. Our journey continues in Dubai. After walking around Dubai Ball, we decided to explore the aquarium in the mall in more detail. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, located in the Dubai Mall, offer to immerse yourself in the wonders of marine life. This aquarium is one of the largest indoor aquariums in the world, occupying an impressive area in the Dubai Mall. Thousands of aquatic animals live here, including various types of fish, sharks, rays, and other sea creatures. The central element of the aquarium is a massive acrylic viewing panel, which offers a breathtaking perspective of the underwater world. After buying tickets to visit the aquarium, we went to the place that I wanted to definitely visit, namely the underwater tunnel. The underwater tunnel is located in the Dubai Aquarium, which is located on the ground floor of the Dubai Mall. It provides a direct view of the main aquarium, which is one of the largest suspended acrylic panels in the world. The tunnel is a long transparent path that stretches under the aquarium, presenting the visitor with a 360-degree view of the marine life swimming around them. It is designed to create the illusion of immersion in the ocean, offering up-close and personal acquaintance with a wide variety of aquatic fauna. When walking through the tunnel, we were surrounded by a variety of sea creatures, including colorful fish, graceful rays, and even majestic sharks. The aquarium is home to more than 33,000 marine life and of more than 140 species, providing a rich and fascinating underwater world. The tunnel has many opportunities for photographing to capture memorable moments in the life of marine life. The underwater tunnel is thoughtfully illuminated to enhance the viewing experience. The combination of ambient lighting and natural lighting of the aquarium creates a fascinating atmosphere that even more immersed us and visitors in the underwater world. The walk through the underwater tunnel impressed us very much and allowed us and visitors to appreciate the beauty and diversity of marine life up close. It offers a unique view of the underwater ecosystem and is the highlight of the Dubai Aquarium. After visiting the tunnel and the aquarium, we continued visiting this place. The next point was the zoo, which was included in the ticket price. The zoo consists of several models of natural zones. The rainforest zone. This zone recreates the lush environment of the rainforest. The exhibition demonstrates the diverse and vibrant ecosystems of these regions. Rocky Coast Zone. In this zone, the main focus is on animals inhabiting rocky coastlines, which allows you to look into their natural habitat. Visitors can observe and learn about animals such as penguins, otters, and various seabirds that thrive in these coastal environments. The Living Ocean Zone is dedicated to demonstrating the wonders of marine life. Visitors can explore interactive exhibits dedicated to various marine ecosystems and the amazing creatures inhabiting them. This zone gives an idea of the importance of preserving the marine environment and the problems faced by oceanic ecosystems. Let's go meet the penguins. There we were launched, and there are some other fish, yes. In general, some kind of fish. Well, okay, what a mouth she has. Have you seen it? Yes. In general, there are all kinds of fish here, a bunch of all kinds of fish.